Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm setting up my August bullet journal spread. I filmed some of it outside, but it started raining, so I had to take out my umbrella. And finally I had to go inside because of mosquitoes and stuff when it stopped raining. So some of the footage might be a little bit weird because I'm filming with a little tripod in the park. So it's some weird angles, but I think it's fine. And I did a lot of it outside, but then I went inside and finished it up. I hope you guys like this video. Please consider subscribing if you haven't yet, and please hit the like button on this video if you like it, and let's get started. Here is my final spread. I have my front page here with a mason jar with some doodle flowers. I have some craft paper with the month. And for the calendar, I have a small doodle here on some craft paper and washi tape. And I have my self-care and habit tracker here. I haven't filled it out yet completely because I'm not sure I'm gonna use it. It's already the 13th of August today, so, and I know that the next week are gonna be really busy, so I'm not sure I'm gonna fill it out, but if I do, I will fill it out like last month, so it won't be any different from that. And for my weekly spread, I have some little doodle here with some washi tape and craft paper. I have my mini calendar in the corner, and I've started this month on the 16th. That's next Monday, or the coming Monday, because, well, it's the 13th today, so I don't go backwards, so I'm just gonna fill out for the next weeks, and then I'm gonna start September. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.